Welcome to my channel. Today, we're making a simple poppy seed cake. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with my recipes. Here's the ingredient list, which you'll also find in the video description, along with a link to my recipe blog. First, we'll prepare a classic short crust pastry. In a bowl, we'll mix 450 g of wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of sugar, 5 egg yolks, and 200 g of butter. Now we'll knead it into a uniform dough. Divide it into 2/3 and 1/3 portions. Spread the larger part on the baking tray and put the smaller part in a bag and into the freezer. I'm lining a 25 by 35 centimeters baking tray with parchment paper. Of course, we'll add about 4 tablespoons of jam. I'm using plum jam. I don't pre-bake the bottom crust, just set it aside for now. Recently, I showed how to prepare poppy seed filling. It takes minutes. I've listed all ingredients for the filling below. Add 60 g butter and 4 whole eggs to it. And 1 tablespoon of flour. I've also added the full recipe below, which is on my blog. The full prep is there, but it's really simple. Anyone can handle it. Spread the ready filling on the dough. I have about 1 kilo of poppy seed filling. Next, beat 5 egg whites until stiff. As they foam, add sugar. I have half a cup of fine sugar here. Add it gradually to the whites, mixing continuously to dissolve the sugar. After adding all the sugar, I add 1 packet of sugar-free cream pudding mix. Mix briefly to combine. The whipped whites. I add it to the bowl, spread it and grate the smaller portion of dough we put in the freezer. We put the cake in the preheated oven at 107 degrees Celsius, 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about an hour. If the top browns too quickly, cover the cake with aluminum foil. As you can see, it's a simple recipe. The cake looks nice and tastes great. Give it a try. Comment and watch my other videos. You'll find this and other recipes on my blog. The link is always below the video. Thanks for watching and take care.